table.
I got table. Everything is good. That's how it was. Everything is empty. In my belly.
Oh my god.
It's
Chef Life. I'll come to Jamaica. Make sure you put that right away.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Happy birthday. Where's birthday girl? Oxtails. That's my favorite. That's my hit right there.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Thank you.
I don't know RG150. I represent Chef Life JA. Say break.
Chef underscore life. Please, guys, try the food.
Bud.
You're not gonna start.
Come on, the road, man.
Black. Oh my god. How y'all doing, my viewers and my subscribers? Yeah, let's do more. Yeah. What's say right there, right? Say early morning breakfast, this is it. Yeah, they want to name early morning. Yeah, another beautiful spring garden, right? I'm joking. Okay. Yeah. And we're here. Yeah. So my god, people, with you. Let's start. Yeah. Oh my god. Viewers and subscribers, welcome, right? So we're here on in a beautiful community of spring garden. Yeah, that's spring garden. Sure. Look my wife, look at that, look at that. So that. Say, you know, say, help to fit 5% for the kids' celebration. So we want to tell them to So that would blueberry and raspberry and strawberry. Yes, no. So now we have the chicken ready. And now we have one sauce up on the fire for the French. And pot for the wheat. Right? So let's get this started, right? So we had one gluten free wings. No, that's not what it's in. French wings. So I do French wings. Very extra. One at a time. I think you see that move. How do I get that? Alright. Just back the film also, so I can't show how I do it. As I said, I do spicy chicken. But the spicy chicken, so you don't mix scratch it. So scratch it. Again, that's what I'm talking about. She has an idea. That's brunch. Right off the fire, you know, and the water and splash up my No, I don't want to stuff. I gotta use my car. Try and start Let's drink the soda from this restaurant. Doesn't cast. Thanks, guys. You can see this. That's So remember my viewers, subscribe to the channel. Please do if you subscribe. Alright? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, my viewers, so remember, tell a friend about today's personal chef service. Oh my god. One chef life, yeah. So, alright, let's go. See you one day. Yeah. So if I don't want something like that, remember in the people, all you gotta do is just send me an email, yeah. Or reach out to me on my social media platform. And it's we don't want chef like that. Yeah, man, I can tell a friend. Yeah. The link for this location, I don't have this. I don't have it. Alright. But I have an idea. Okay. Yeah. So it's like nice Monday morning when you're in these for my together. Let's get some work. Alright, my subscribers, yeah. Yeah, so you know, so me do your finish up. Yes, man, you have to do it now, and do the daytime, right? And then I was say, you man, set up in my knees and right now. Okay, set up, oh my god. Catch you, set up, oh my god, and the view. See that? Yeah. So that's what we currently doing, alright? 5-10 minutes, I'm done. 5-10 minutes, yeah, I just do this quick and fast, alright? Peace. Yeah, remember, tell a friend, what the rest of your things.
Hey, clear up.
My mimosas, ladies and gentlemen. Kude. Best personal chef service in the man. No joke at mimosas, alright? So, beautiful.
I'm interested in the jerk sausage, guys.
Yeah, she's interested in the jerk sausages, alright?
Yes.
My sister, apology. Oh my god, y'all see that?
Hello.
Hey.
He did it.
Bright and early.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do have a YouTube channel. Yeah, you want to be on the channel? Say hello. Do you mind telling my viewers where y'all from for me, please, and thank you?
Oh, so we live in Orlando, but we're from Haiti.
Oh my god. Big up all them Haitian friends, them, you know. Yeah, you know. Oh, you know what I need to tell y'all? Yeah, as I said, I have a lot of Asian friends, yeah?
Yeah.
So one of the biggest Jamaican artists in Jamaica, yeah? He's also from Haiti.
Really?
Yeah. He sing a song and say, "We make me sing boom." And here we go.
I think I put that song.
And here we go. Yeah, I like it and I'm saying. Oh my god. So y'all full during your vacation here in Jamaica?
Oh yeah, it's been amazing.
It's been great. Nice people. It's been
Yeah, the
Yeah.
food is amazing.
Oh my god.
so much to do.
So much to do. Alright, please full enjoy your vacation and your break. And your early morning brunch, alright? Yeah.
Ooh, I'm excited.
What's the name of your channel?
It's called Yeah. Oh.
And that was good. Next time we're coming, we're lunch or dinner or something. Thank you for coming so early.
Oh, you're
Now we have so much
can
time to do other stuff. This is great.
Yeah, man, you're all very welcome. Yeah, man.
What's your foot? What you doing, baby?
I got table. Everything is good. That's how it was. Everything is empty. And my belly is full. That's how good it was. Everything was good. And this, amazing. Perfect.
Oh my god, thank you so much, alright?
Yes, it was good. Thank you.
You're welcome.